you go to splits, you click the surface, then either you pick wall or you pick this line. Let's say you want to pick line. Let's pick this line. Take the line from here to here. Mark it. Also take the line again from here to here. Mark it here. Mark it here. So you join this. You make sure to join. Let's see what's given. You finish it. You will finish it. Then you go to paint. You click on paint. You just take this red color. Pick this red. You come here. You pick the red. You come here. You make sure you don't pick outside it. Pick inside. You pick this. You will say okay. So we have gotten this paint. Hope you understand it. So let's go here and do this one. I'm going to make it to the square. Go to your splits. Finish it. You are finished. Then you go here. Select this color. Then you go here. Let's go here. Splits. Look at this. Let's try this cycle. Finish it. Go to split again. Finish it. Splits. Take it. Now you